Hello everyone, this is day 6 of DSA problem solving challenge, and today I have solved a problem which is 1910 from leet code. So the problem is like this: remove all occurrences of a substring. So here we have given two strings s and part. Perform the following operations on s until all occurrences of substring part are removed. So here we have two string s and part. So from s we have to remove the part string, means we have one string and substring. String is s and substring is part. So in string we have one part which we have to delete, up to which that part should not be over there. Means we have to delete all the part string, means part substring. So find the leftmost occurrence of the substring part and remove it from s. Means we have to remove part from the string s. Return s after removing all occurrences of part. Means we have to return s, means remaining string, which we have done over here. So a substring is a contiguous sequence of characters in a string. Means the substring is a contiguous sequence of characters in a string, means it is in a contiguous form. So here we have one example: input a is equals to daa, bc, baa, bc, bc. So the part is equals to abc. Inside this string we have to check abc. Is abc is there, then we have to delete that part. After that we will again create a new string, remaining string, and again check for abc. If abc is there, then we will again remove that string and create a new string. After that we will get a string inside that which that part is not exist. Then we will return that remaining string. In this way we want to do this problem. Let's move to the logic part. So talking about today's problem, we have remove all occurrences. So here we have one string s equals to daa, bc, baa, bc, bc. So from here we have to find this part and delete this part, up to which this type of part doesn't exist. Means first we have to check this part inside this string. So here we have d, here we have a. After a we need b, but here doesn't exist b. But after moving forward we have a, so we have to check b. After that a we have b, yes. After b we need to find c. So here comes abc. Now we will erase this part and create a new string. So the new string is this. Again we have to check from the starting index. Here we have d, here we have a. After a we need b, yes, b is there. After b we need c, but c is not existing. After we move forward we have a. After a we need b, but here doesn't exist b. Again we move forward, here we have a. After that we need b, yes, b is there. After that we need c, c is also there. So we delete this part. After we again move inside the loop, so we create new string da, b, a, b, c. So here we have d. First we will check, is d we need? No, we need a. A is there, b is also there, but c is not there. So we move forward up to here. Here we have a, here we have b, here we have c. So delete this part. After that we come to the conclusion. Here we have one dab string, which is not the part we need to erase. Means we only remove a part which is abc. After that we get this string, then we output this string. So to find the string, means to find this part inside this string, we have one function str.find, and here we write the substring. Means str is the string name. After that we find we use the find function. Here we write the substring which we need to remove. So here we give the position. So here we have one more example. Here we have st, the string name, and abc, 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 de. So again we need ab. Here we need ab to be removed from this string. So first we will check from the first index. We have a. After that we need to find b. B is also there. So we remove ab and create a new string cab, cab, cde. So here we have c. C is not the part we need. We need a. So here we have A. After that A we need B. B is also there. Then we will erase this part. After again we create a new string. We have new string C C A B C D E. So here we have C. No, we don't find want this C to be needed. So here we have again move forward. Here we have C. After C we have A. A is the part we need to be removed. Here we have one more example. Here the name of the string is st. The string is like this: abc 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 d. The part we need to be removed is ab. So moving forward, we have here a. After a we need b. B is also there, so we will erase this part and create a new string, remaining string. So we have cab cab cde. So we come over here, checks for a. A is not there. Again we move forward. A is here. After A we need B. B is also here. So we will erase this part and create a new string. So the new string is like this: C C A B C D E. So check for A. A is not here. Again we will check for A. Here also not A. But here is A, and after A we need B. B is also here. So we will erase this part and create a new string. So here we have to check, is there any AB exist? From starting we don't have A. After that we move forward, we don't have A. After that we move forward, we don't have A. After that we move forward, we don't have A. After that we move forward, we don't have A. In this way we will wants to output this string. So we have already talked about the example. Now we will talk about the function or libraries we are using in this code. So here we have str.find substring, means here we are finding substring inside the string, and check, is the substring length is smaller than the string length? Yes. If yes, then we move forward. After that we erase the string, means we erase the substring inside the string. So here we will give the starting point and ending point. So the example for this function is like this: we have str string name, erase the function we are using. Here we have 1 start and 4 end, means here we have one string. Now we will calculate where 1 is. So 1 is over here at the place of B, and after that the ending point is 4. Now we will come to the fourth indexing and delete this part, means B, C, D are deleted and the output is A, F, G. So what we gonna do? First we find the part in string, then we delete that part in string. So for that we are using find function to find the part inside the string whose length should be less than string length. That's it. After we are erasing the part using starting indexing and ending indexing, means up to which length we want to delete that string. So start at the place of start we write s find part, means we have to find the substring inside the string, and then we have to calculate the length of that part. After that it will be deleted. So the pseudocode of that problem is like this: we have one while loop. Here we check the string length must be greater than 0, and string the substring length should be less than string length. That's it. If this condition follows, we move inside the while loop. Here we will erase the starting indexing and the length of that string. That's it. Moving to the coding part. So we have already done with the logic part. Let's move to the coding part. So here we have created one while loop. Inside this while loop we are writing some conditions. String length must be greater than 0, and s.find part length should be less than string length, means we are using s.find function to find that part inside the string. And inside this loop we have one function s.erase, which is used to delete the part which we are finding inside that string and create a new string. Then we will again and again check that conditions. If that condition follows, we will move to the loop again and again. If this condition doesn't follow, we return S. means remaining string. So in this way we will already done with this problem. So this is day 6. Thank you. Bye bye.